Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present a report internship in PT Infinity Reka Solusi on Finance Accounting Tax Division. Before I present, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Putri Mawida. I'm from Accounting Education at the State University of Jakarta with number registration 17016199094. Next. Okay, these are main point to this presentation. First, place of implementation, company profile, organizational structure, company field of business, implementation of work, concentrates, and solution. Next, the first place of implementation, company name is PT Infinity Reka Solusi. Address Prof. Dr. Satrio Street, Kaving 18, Aksa Tower, floor 33, RT 40, RW 04, Kuningan South, Jakarta. Phone 02150101265. Website www.irs.co.id. Okay, next company profile. In PT Infinity Reka Solusi, move on file information and technology, provider goods and service technology information. This PT established since September 2006. Early start office dislocation in City of Sudirman in Central Jakarta. In 2050 until now, move location in Aksa Tower, Kuningan, South Jakarta. Okay, next, this is vision and mission. For vision, become company IT that front in provide solution which full innovation, planning, and result which best. For mission, always develop, going to progress, and follow development era. Okay, this is corporate organizational culture. The first, integrity. Why? Employee who include honesty, sincerity in work, and trustworthy in thinking, speaking, and taking all action. Two, care, being caring for each other, empathic, and responsive. Three, open mind, open-minded and objective in order to achieve better performance in action. Four, innovation, innovation and be creative in everything that creative added value for all stakeholders in the company. Five, teamwork, work together to form a solid team in achieving the company's vision and mission as well as producing quality employee performance. Okay, this is corporate structure headed by President Dr. President Director by Mr. Firman Arifman, Assistant Director by Mr. Alif Hanifah Rizkianto. Next, there is supporting division headed by Mr. Alif Hanifah. This is finance, accounting, and tax, and HR, human resource, and GA. For the solution provider headed by Mr. Firman Arifman. For the solution provider, holding for division, simulation, VR and 3D modeling, visual communication, computer networking, and system development. Okay, this is company field of business. Move the field provide good and service technology information, provide solution technology information, device soft network, computer analysis system, and consulting. Product which generate in the form of device soft or software, which obtain with to do purchase to supplier, outside country or supplier, and device hard or hardware, obtained with to do purchase to supplier in country. Okay, this is implementation of work in section finance. The first, make submission for payment cost operational of project company. Two, slip charging deposit, payment state treasury, BPJS, and text to bank. This is photo of my work. Okay, this is implementation of work in section accounting. This is input, reception and payment invoice, cash in bank, and bank chart application, accurate accounting. This is photo of my work. Input invoice number and invoice text to account payable ledger. This is photo for my work. Okay. Next, input cost office operational from Accurate to Microsoft Excel. That next math chart. This is photo of my work. Achieve of filing payment voucher, petty cash, cash in bank, and previous bank or IDR or USB. For example, Bank Permata, Bank BCA, Bank Danamon, Mandiri, and each other. Okay, this is implementation of work in section tax. This is making ID billing, tax PPH 21, 23, 25, and 4, 2. This is photo of my work. This is withdrawal of electronic proof of receipt or BPA and tax return or SPT. This is a photo of my work. Okay. Next, activity can relate to accounting, finance, tax division. Why? Because when the division runs the project, it must coordinate to determine the percentage of profit or margin from the project to be working on. When the project division requires payment to pay off a bill from a vendor, the two divisions must work together. Whether the finance team pay the bill and the project division also provides the bill to finance. Next, division human resource. Why? Because this division is related to problem paying bills for BPJS healthy, BPJS employment, telephone costs, electricity costs, service charge, employee vehicle costs, health reimbursement costs, joy and sorrow benefit, and office ethical costs. This cost will be handled by Human Resource Division to make a submission, after which the submission is transferred to the Finance Department for payment processing. 3. Last, division computer networking. Why? Because this division is related to finance to project to process payments from the purchase of damaged goods such as computer, internet networks, and all company infrastructure that's it expressing trouble. Okay, next, constraints and solution. In process related to the use of DigiPay Online, applications such as making tax billing ID, withdrawing electronic proof of receipt or BPA, and notification letter or SPT, the practitioner find is difficult to quickly understand an the application because it is the first time the practitioner uses it. In addition, in this application, the server is often down or cannot be accessed during working hours, so that the complication of the text given and hamper. 2. Transaction data for submission and payment voucher have not been achieved, namely in the last 3 years ago, making it difficult of practicing to find the data randomly. 3. Last, in making a deposit slip to the bank, The practicant does not understand the correct way of wording, so errors often occurring in writing. Okay, for solution, in order to overcome difficult in understanding the application, the practicant must improve communication and have the courage to ask the staff. To overcome the GGP online application where the server sometimes goes down, the practicant continues to try and make sure the internet networking is not problematic. If the experiment has been carried out and the server remains down, the practicant can do other work such inputting invoice into Excel. Third, overcoming error in writing deposit slip. The practicant record the process into personal notes so that mistake do not occur and avoid repeat question to staff. Okay, last, the practitioner help tidy up randomly stored invoice so that when the invoice is used, that search process will be erased because is sort by date, amount, check number, and paid from bank. Okay, thank you. That's it for thank you for your listening and attention to my report internship in PT Infinity Reka Solusi. I would like to apologize if there is a mistake. I hope you have a nice day and always healthy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.